I thought, oh, I must be a quick metabolizer. I could have coffee at 9 o'clock and fall asleep in 20 minutes, no big deal. And after a while, it really took its toll on me. And I decided to reach out to somebody. And I reached out to a holistic practitioner, and she ran some functional labs on me. And as I'm sure you may have guessed, I was just in complete exhaustive phase, HPA axis dysfunction. My cortisol had just bottomed out, and I was really low on a lot of vitamins and minerals. My B vitamins, vitamin C, magnesium, everything was low. My lactic acid was through the roof. My SIG-A, or my immune function, was down. All the things, and I was just, help me, what can you do? With that, I really started learning more about the fact that more is not necessarily better. I was doing a lot of physical activity because I enjoyed it, but it was really burning me out. I wasn't taking care of myself with recovery and rest, which is so important.